Well, our guy was pretty good at his job. Just take a look at some of the photos he's got.
Now, check this out. Ooh, not wear that baby suit.
Mm-hmm. I remember that one. I knew this guy had hair plugs.
Might go to the
Also,
clinic.
got a letter from the lawyer. It's court summons a restraining order.
Trash.
This trash is probably worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's worth too much money, but I looked into Anthony's finances. Closet full of product, lots of credit card debt, and savings. The American dream. But we know that Anthony Larson invades people's privacy. Think about the hotels canceling. Anybody's privacy is worth invading.
Well, yes, I registered under assumed name, probably for life. I got Norman Bates, Archie Lee, why?
What about the hotel say?
Well, it looks like the front desk only issued one key card to
Who's that, Dooby?
A guy named Manuel took up the champagne.
Who's that, Dooby?
Larson seemed moved in. Even tipped him on top of the 17% gratuity that he had to every charge.
So,
It's like the big standoff, isn't it? You can
No,
see
when
him,
I checked with dispatch, there was a 415 man call last night. Guy loitering across the street from the hotel. I'm still waiting to talk to the patrolman who answered the call.
Oh, let's go out of it now.
Nice to meet you, man.
You can't get them shipped out. What are you saying? You can't get them both in there.
Do you think this was suicide? No, we have to look at it tonight. We can do this later, if you'd like. No. No, no, it's fine. You know, Anthony had run-ins with any celebrity friends. He kept all that to himself. This actor broke his nose outside a restaurant once. I got so upset he stopped talking about work. I mean, these stars. They're such hypocrites. They hate when he takes their pictures, but they can't exist without getting in magazines. Anthony was just trying to make a living. And when was the last time you spoke to him? About 4 months ago. Oh, you aren't here? He was behind making child support. This divorce is been hard on everyone.
No, Ribbit.
I'm sorry, you don't
Ribbit, no.
Understanding. Help us figure out what happened here. He always talked about $1 million shot. How that $1 million picture would solve all of our problems. Okay, you don't have to talk about this anymore.
Did she bite your nose?
I just need you to help me identify what we found in the room.
Did she bite your nose, Ruby?
That's his
Did
box.
she bite your nose?
And I remember that cigar case. We had a fight over it.
Ribbit.
Is that all he had? That can't be. Where is his girlfriend? Oh, I'm sorry. It's camera. I called it his girlfriend. He would have had that with him.
I'm stopping.